Welcome, Jaye Wellness here with you. If you're looking for a way to trim your belly and shrink some of that fat, well, I have a great remedy for you to try, and it's going to help boost your metabolism and increase your metabolic rate. But it has to start with the digestive system. Improved digestive health is the key component into losing that belly fat. Peppermint tea may help relax the muscles in the digestive tract, reducing spasms and cramps that can contribute to bloating and discomfort. Improved digestion can lead to better nutrient absorption, reducing inflammation and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is essential for a strong immune system, energy production, and overall well being, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Peppermint tea is also going to help with appetite suppression. The menthol in peppermint tea may help reduce hunger and increase feelings of fullness, leading to lower calorie intake. Peppermint's refreshing scent and taste can also help curb cravings for unhealthy snacks and sweets. Drinking peppermint tea between meals may help reduce grazing and support portion control. Peppermint will surely add a metabolism boost. Catechins, a type of polyphenol found in peppermint tea, may increase metabolism and enhance fat burning. Peppermint tea may also help improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of developing insulin resistance and related health issues. A faster metabolism can help burn calories more efficiently, supporting weight loss and weight management. Peppermint is not only going to help with metabolism, it's also going to help with stress reduction. Peppermint's tea calming effects can help reduce stress and anxiety, which are often linked to overeating and poor food choices. Chronic stress can lead to increased cortisol levels, contributing to belly fat storage and weight gain. By managing stress, peppermint tea may help reduce cortisol levels and promote a healthier weight. Drinking peppermint tea can contribute to the increase of water intake, helping to flush out toxins and support healthy digestion. Proper hydration is essential for energy production, skin health, and overall well-being. Drinking peppermint tea can make hydration more enjoyable and encourage individuals to drink more water throughout the day. So next, I'm going to show you how to prepare the greatest peppermint elixir that's going to help all the compounds of what we just talked about. So what you want to do is you want to get 1 teaspoon of dry peppermint leaves or 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh peppermint leaves, 1 cup of boiling water, and you can also add honey or lemon to taste. So what we're going to do is start by boiling the water in a tea kettle or pot. Add the dried or fresh peppermint leaves to a tea infuser or a heat resistance cup. Pour the boiling water over the peppermint leaves. Allow the mixture to steep for 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your desired strength of tea. Strain the tea into a cup using the tea infuser or strainer. Add honey or lemon to taste if desired. Enjoy your soothing and refreshing peppermint tea elixir. So remember, this is not only a great drink, but a very healthy drink to add to your daily routine. It's going to help your body in ways that you probably didn't imagine. And it's very easy to do. Something like this could take no longer than 5 to 10 minutes to prepare each day. And it's going to give your body a boost, not only just your metabolism, but it's going to help your overall well-being as far as lowering the stress levels. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, please take time to subscribe to the channel. I try to bring content as often as possible. But in the meantime, I'm going to step out of the Jaye Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you on the next video.